Ever wish you could instantly understand a message in a foreign language on WhatsApp? Well, now you can. No copy-paste, no third-party apps, no awkward guessing what they're saying. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech updates. WhatsApp is officially rolling out built-in message translation for both iOS and Android, making conversations across languages smoother than ever. Android users can now translate messages between 6 major languages, including English, Spanish, Hindi, Portuguese, Russian, and Arabic, while iPhone users get access to the full power of Apple's Translate app with support for over 20 languages, including Mandarin, Chinese, French, German, Korean, Turkish, and Vietnamese too. Using the feature is simple. Just long press any message, tap Translate, and choose the language. On Android, you can even enable automatic translations for entire chats, making it perfect for ongoing multilingual conversations. It's a dream come true for travelers, international families, and global business chats. What's more exciting is all translations happen on your device and not on WhatsApp servers, so you don't have to worry about privacy. No one, not even WhatsApp, can see your messages thanks to end-to-end encryption. Your phone simply downloads the needed language packs and handles the rest all by itself. Translation feature will work on one-on-one chats, group chats, and even channel updates, making it more versatile than we expected. WhatsApp also confirmed more languages are on the way, although there's no hint on when the feature will arrive on WhatsApp Web or the Windows app. So if you don't see the feature yet, hang in there, it's still rolling out. But keep your app updated because once it hits your device, language will no longer be a barrier. Have you already gotten this feature? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.